everyone, my name is Adeola Gboyega, professional makeup artist and beauty contributor for SheerLuxe, and on today's beauty school, I'm going to be showing you how to get the viral Sabrina Carpenter blush look. Now, this has been going viral and doing the rounds, and I absolutely love this trend myself. I think that Sabrina Carpenter's blusher look just always looks absolutely stunning. The first thing is using a liquid blush and a liquid illuminator. These are the new Make Me Blush from YSL Beauty. Now, these pack a punch, so you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and then this beautiful Armani luminizer. Now these two together mixed will give you the most beautiful flushed look, but also that lovely sort of highlight on the cheeks as well. I'm gonna mix that together on the back of my hand and then I'm gonna apply that onto my cheeks. So I always like to smile, and that shows me exactly where I want to apply the blush on my cheeks. And I'm blending it upwards into my hairline. Now the great thing about this trend and using these products is that you can really customize it to your liking. I like a bit of a glow, so I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more of the luminizer from Armani Beauty. I love that whenever Sabrina Carpenter has her makeup done, she always just looks really beautiful and radiant. And that's why you can go back in with a little bit more of the luminizer to give you that gorgeous glow. And I really like to focus on that sort of C area, so a little bit through the top of your brow bone and then down onto the top of your cheekbones. You can just see when the light hits, you get that beautiful iridescence and that nice glow. Now, not everyone loves a liquid blush and a liquid highlighter, so I want to show you one product that pretty much does both of those things in one. These are the button-up blushes from NYX, and they're absolutely fantastic. A great affordable alternative to still give you that beautiful Sabrina Carpenter flush cheek. Now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful shade here. And again, a little goes a long way. I always like to use a brush first of all, push the product into my hand just so I'm not putting too much on, and then apply it to my cheeks. And again, just focusing on your application on the top of your cheekbones. I always like to apply my blusher in an upwards motion. That way you're always gonna get this really lovely lifted look. And you can just see that gorgeous glow there. Now, of course, Sabrina Carpenter's viral blush look is very pink, it's quite bold, but you don't have to follow suit. You can choose blusher colors that suit your skin tone a little bit more to your preference. For example, I've used more of like a neutral tone that's a bit more nude on this side, and this one's a bit more berry. So it's not really about the color, it's more about the application and making sure that you get that beautiful glow. And so for those of you that are wondering the exact formula of how to cheat Sabrina Carpenter's gorgeous viral blush look, there you have it. It's all about that beautiful mix of a liquid highlighter and a liquid blush, or a very beautiful sort of shimmery blusher. Hope you guys have enjoyed those tips. Let me know if you try this trend. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.